Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about the registration process for GRE at home. So without further ado, let's get started. For the registration process for GRE, you will have to visit the website called as ETS. Here you can just Google ETS and you will find the link for the website, that is www.ets.org. You can just click here and you will be redirected to the home page of ETS. Here you can see bunch of cards named as GRE, TOEFL Essentials. This website can be used for registration of GRE as well as TOEFL. So from here onwards, you can just click on the GRE card, and this will take you to the GRE homepage, and from here onwards you can just click on sign in or register here, or just register now from here. This will take you to the my GRE page where you can sign into your account if you already have the account, or you can create a new user account by clicking on create an account. So on the registration page, you have to fill out your personal information such as first name, last name, email address. Then you have to fill out information regarding address, phone number, like contact information, and then you have to just tick there and click on the next button. After that, it will ask you to put your username and password for the account, and that's it. You will be registered and you can just go back to the login page. Once you are created your account, you can just come back to the sign in page and enter your credentials, your username and password here. And once you have done that, you can just click on the sign in button, and after clicking the sign in button, it will redirect you to the main page. So once you are logged in, you will see the interface similar to this. Here are a bunch of stuff you can see, like scores, orders, test preparation, getting ready for test date. So from here on, you can just click on the register and find the test center dates button here, and it will take you to this page where you can select the type of test you want to select. Here we will select GRE general test. After selecting GRE general test, you will see bunch of options here. The first one is test at home, and the second one is find test centers at or near this location. This second option is for the people who are interested in giving the exam in person, that is going to the physical location or the test center and give the exam there. So we will just select test at home as an option, and then you will be asked to select the date to which you want to give the exam. First we will need to select for which months we want to register the exam. So we can just scroll up to May, April, and we can just click the continue button here, and after that you will see bunch of dates here which we can select from. For example, let's see, we select 12th of May. After that you will be asked to select the time at which you want to appear for the exam. So be careful while selecting this time, because sometimes you can just select the wrong timing, like instead of selecting 4 p.m. you would accidentally click on 4 a.m. instead. So be careful about that. So we will select the time as 9:50 a.m. as our slot, and before clicking next, just check everything is correct or not. Check whether your time zone is correct or not. It's Indian time for me, and check the date, that is May 12, 2022, and time is 9:50 a.m. Then just click on the register for this test button. Then you will see that there are some policies you need to read before registration. Just read this terms and conditions and just click on I understand and agree, and then click on the next button. After that, you will be redirected to this page. This information will be auto filled from the registration page, because you already registered. All this information is saved, and after that you can just check everything is correct or not, and then just click on next. After that, you will be asked for this. You can just read this and just select whatever you want. I will select no for this and go to the next page. Here they will ask for background information, means your citizenship, what is your educational status, or what is your native language and all, and bunch of other questions like what type of education you are looking for, where you are looking for, and all. You can just fill out the fields that are compulsory. You can leave other fields as it is, and just click next from here. So on the next page, this is the checkout page. Here you can see that there are some products that you can add to the cart with your examination. Here are some practical tests. You can just click on this and this, which are free. These are the mock tests that GRE provides, which you can take before giving the actual exam, and get an idea of how the exam works and how the time and all thing is there. So you can just go scroll down and just click next here. After that, this is the last checkout amount that you have to pay, that is $213, and this two practice tests are free, so that there is no additional cost for that. And then you can just click on proceed to checkout. So this is the summary of your order, that is GRE test registration as well as two mock tests. From here you can just click on pay now, and it will take you to the payment page. Here you can see that your order summary as well as how much you are paying. Here there are bunch of options like credit card payment, PayPal payment, and bank account payment. You can select any of these three methods, and after you successfully pay the fees, that is $213, you will get a receipt on your email address, registered email address, and also you will get a successful message on the same screen. So the mistakes that people generally make during registration process is like selecting wrong time zone, or selecting wrong timing, like instead of PM selecting AM. So just be careful about that. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. For more content similar to this, please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you have any doubts regarding the process or GRE, please mention them in the comment section below.